Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram login error 2025, also known as the incorrect password error. If you've been logged out of your account or cannot log in, don't panic. I've got you covered with some easy fixes. First of all, double check your username and password. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that your caps lock isn't on. If you've forgotten your password, simply tap on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it using your email, phone number, or Facebook account. Next, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and tap on Update if it's available. If updating doesn't work, try offloading the app. For that, open your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone Stories. Here, tap on Instagram from the list of apps and finally tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall the app. This removes temporary data that might be causing the error without deleting your account. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can sometimes resolve login issues. If nothing works, contact Instagram support through the app or their website. They can help recover your account and fix any back-end issues causing the login error. And that's all for today's video. These steps should help you fix the Instagram login error 2025 quickly. Thank you for watching till the very end, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos.